Hello and welcome back to my channel. In this tutorial I will show you how to download and install VMware Workstation Pro for free. So let's begin. First open this website shoppedia.com. Now search for this. Press enter to search. Now select this option. Now select this blue download button. Now select first option Shoppedia secure download. Select this option. Okay, you can see the download is started. Let's wait for the download to be completed. Okay, the download has been completed. Now double click on this setup file and wait. You can see that installation has been started. Please wait for some time. Okay, click on next. Check this box. Please wait for the installation to be complete. Okay, now the installation has been finished. Now you can see VMware Workstation Pro has been successfully installed. Double click on it to open. Okay, I am using this for personal use. So okay, now you can see VMware Workstation has been successfully installed. Okay, I hope you like this video. Please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.